and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I created my wig cap for an upcoming project. So the first thing I need is a saran wrap and tape pattern. I took my head form here that's about the same size as my own head, and I covered it in saran wrap and masking tape. And since this will be a symmetrical pattern, I just covered half of it. And then taking a Sharpie, I mark my borders where my hairline is going to be and where the seams are going to be. And then cut that out. To make this pattern a little easier to work with, I go ahead and transfer it to some copy paper, that way I can pin through it. I am using this Skin Color stretch fabric. It is a two-way stretch, so I make sure that my stretch is going widthwise and not lengthwise on the pattern. And I will cut 2 of each pattern piece. And since this is a stretch fabric and I want it tight against my head, I don't add any seam allowance. And go ahead and pin and sew those seams together. To finish up the edge across the hairline and also to give it more structure and strength to stay on the head, I go ahead and create a band to go around it. And sew the short sides together to create a loop. And then fold that loop in half, and I go ahead and attach the open ends to the wig cap. And this is just the base of the wig that I'm creating, and since I needed it as tight as I could get it because it's going to have a lot of weight on it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.